YouTube.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this right here is the broad ligament. It's the mesentery that stabilizes the uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tube. Then this yellow line right here is the suspensory ligament, and it extends from the uterus to the pelvic wall.
Wait, can you like
This right here
that?
is the fallopian tube. It has 4 parts. This yellow part right here is the ovary. Then attached to the ovary, this red thing right here, are fimbria, which are finger-like projections. Then the second part of the fallopian tube is right here. It's the infundibulum. Then the midway part is called the ampulla, and it's where the ovum remains until it's fertilized. And only if it's fertilized, it moves to the last part right here, which is the isthmus. And then right here, this right next to the isthmus, this right here is the ovarian duct. Then this is the uterus. This inner layer right here is the functional layer, and it breaks away every 28 days as meses. Then surrounding it is the basilar layer, and it's the permanent layer that regenerates the functional layer. Then surrounding that, like with all these little dots, is the mesometrium, and it's 90% of the uterus, and it's the muscular layer. And then the serous membrane is the outside layer, and it's called the perimetrium. Then you have this pouch right here. It's between the rectum and the uterus, and it's called the rectouterine pouch. Then you have this pouch over here, and it's between the urinary bladder and the uterus, and it's called the vesicouterine pouch. Then this right here is the labia majora. This is the labia minora. The labia majora forms the prepuce for the clitoris. This right here is the clitoris. This is the urinary bladder. Leading to the urinary bladder is the urethra. This is the vagina. And these little like ridges right here are called rugae. And they're folds in the vagina that allow it to the surface area to expand. Then this right here is the cervix, and the opening of the cervix is called the cervical os. Then this is the pubic symphysis, and surrounding the pubic symphysis is a fat pad called the mons pubis. Just this yellow shit.
That's it?
Yep, that's vagina.